You see that smile on my face? Look at this thing now. Right, this one is much better. Well pleased with this. Now, first version had a 300 watt motor and it would bog down on, just a piece of paper going through. That was not acceptable to old furze here, so Mark II has been improved in every single way. Now, we've not just got double the power, we've got 8 times the power. And I've put bearings in everything now, so the whole thing is really free-flowing. We're not sapping any power through friction. Now, I've not tested this yet, but I am excited by it. Now, the second motor I've left off because I can't hold 2 buttons and feed stuff through at the moment because I have to push one up, one down. I've got this little slidey collar here and you can slide that into the teeth like that, and then when you don't want it, you slide it off. Let's flip it up. Let's put some stuff through it. Jeebus. You want it on your toe? This is not staying up very well, Colin. Colin, what are you doing? I'll be back in a jiffy. Right. Shredding time! Where's all the stuff I'm going to shred? Empty envelope. Right, I'm going to need to set some cameras up here so we can film this properly. What you do? You make YouTube videos. Film it. Come on, my little bit of pepper. Look at it! You can fire it out! Didn't bog down at all. Right, come on. Where's more stuff? Where's more stuff? Oh, a wonderful circular magazine. Now, this is what? This is quite thick now. So about a 4mm thick. No way would Mark I have ever even touched this. Come on! In you go! Look at it! Oh, it does not care! Funny! I know it's like really interesting watching it, but actually feeding it in and have it in front of you is even better. God, you do make a mess of yourself. I think I should have had some little prongy bits which pick this off so it doesn't get all stuck in. But I'm not doing Mark III. Notice I got the old tie. Got the tie in the shirt. We don't want to get... What else are we going to do? Oh, somebody's at the door. Ah, we got more rubbish come through. Wonderful magazine with Christmas gifts in. Bye! Ha ha ha! Take it! Straight through. Right, what about the plastic carton, Colin? I know you don't get these delivered through letterboxes, but what do I care? Let's shred it. Take it. Ha 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 ha! Oh yeah! If I'd have just put one of those motors on in the first place, we'd have been sorted. But never mind, I got 2 videos out of it. Bush! Of course, I did say this was going to go on the back of my letterbox. And I've kind of engineered myself into a bit of a corner here because the letterbox on my front door is right near the floor. Now, this wouldn't have been an issue had I not added second motor. It also weighs an absolute ton, so the door's probably going to come off its hinges. So I'm going to mount it on the back of my garage for us to do the old testy, oh, I'm a postman, what we're going to put through it. Better though, isn't it? Oh, yeah. I'm still playing. But what about an old biscuit tin? Oh, that's made you bite. Right, engage second motor. Yeah! Okay, Colin, now will you actually go and fit it to a door rather than keep messing around? I'm just looking for things to shred now. The box! The second winch motor came in! Got a bit of mess to clean up now, haven't I? It's not a shredding machine, it's a mess maker. Right, that's got my door set up. We've got a door knob, we've got a number, so it feels like a front door. And if you look in there, oh, aggressive! Now, of course, we know it's going to do normal mail, but I think we need to give it a bit more of a challenge. So, I'm going to get onto my postman, see what I can order. I need a postman as well. I used to want to be a postman.
Hello, please can I order your latest magazine of all the rubbish you make?
It's Colin the postman. Ah. Yep.
Is it possible to have a thin strip of metal?
Metal. Oh yes. Whoa, it's going.
Hey, please can I have some really bad curtains? Thank you.
Ooh. Bye bye. It's a hungry old thing, isn't it? The 19mm shaft is broke.
Can I trouble you for a soup ton of coffee, sir?
Did you say coffee or a clock?
Get in there! Get it! Emma! I would like a piece of wood!
Mr. Furze, I have your wood delivery. Is it junk? Yeah, of course it is. Take it! Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I think we've found its limit.
Colin!
Yeah, broken it again. Now then, obviously, if I was to redesign the whole thing, I would stick a thicker shaft on it, and it probably wants to be made out of something stronger than mild steel. Now, this is great. It will shred all your junk mail, but I've got a lot of mess left over. So I'm thinking we need a little adaptation so the postman, or the delivery person, he gets to deal with the mess.
I see the street light, I hear you call my name. I don't know where you gone or where you've been, but you don't see.
So now, postman comes, puts letter through top letterbox, gets it out of bottom, all shredded, all over his feet, like so. I've got no letters left because I've literally shredded everything. This isn't actually a bad idea. I mean, maybe not behind the letterbox, but if you imagine if everybody owned one, they could turn this amount of rubbish into this amount of rubbish. Hey, it's been Letterbox Shredder. Now, of course, one day I might build a Mark III. It'll have thicker shafts, it'll have proper roller bearings, and it'll have more power, enough to crush the world. But I've got other things to be doing. So, if you like weird and wonderful inventions like this, there is a playlist at the end of the video. You should click it and watch this. There is also a subscribe button and one of those little notification bells. All that is all good stuff. So, I'll see you in the next video, sir. Yes, sir, you will, sir. Thank you.